Hey everyone, it's Joey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is April 1st, 2021. So anyways, today's a pretty decent day. It's a green day. We're doing today's trading recap, of course, and today I'm up 1788, so 1,788 bucks. Now, I would say that's a pretty good day, but I felt like I overstayed my welcome, traded a ton. And I only traded one stock, which was ACY. So we're going to go over the trade on that and show you kind of what my mentality was today. And that's about it. So let's dive into it. Here we go. ACY had a very incredible run today. I want to pull it up on my other chart here on my phone just to see. I want to see what the max percent gain on this thing was today. It was north of 300%, I believe. Let's see. 324%. Okay, incredible. So that was definitely the stock I wanted to trade today, and I definitely did. So to be honest, the beginning of the morning in the market, it felt really, really slow. We did have LTRPB. This was, I believe, the leading gapper, and it really took off and had an awesome run. So as you can see here, it opened up the market around 51 bucks, went all the way up to 109, which is incredible. Problem with this one, I never touched it because it was going through these rapid quick halts. I felt like there was no opportunity to get in, and that's the problem with these ones. And plus, it was extremely low volume. There wasn't a ton of volume in this thing, and that makes it difficult. So you can definitely make amazing money with these, but it's a double-edged sword. It's the same thing. You can easily lose tons of money quickly. So the problem with it overall for me is that you just can't get in and out quickly, and it's more of like hoping you can hop in and just ride this lottery ticket win up, and it's difficult. It's less trading and more, I don't know, hoping. So yeah, didn't trade that one. That was the only thing that was really like moving at the time, and I was honestly thinking about walking away pretty early this morning, just going, there's nothing to trade. I was about to make 0 trades today, to be honest. I was very interested in walking away just because I didn't see anything. So eventually ACY came through, and this thing, I want to see when I first started trading it, because I wasn't really interested in this. I felt like the volume was a tad low, and there was no news on this, and it was kind of spiking up. Let's see. First trade 1125. So yeah, guys, I didn't even start trading this thing until 1125, so right in here. And I felt like I was kind of late to the game, but you know, it did have this see if I can pull this up. Yeah, this nice run up, but then it was a complete collapse, halted down, faded even further. So when I was looking at that originally, I was just like, it's not even worth it. It just looks like a, you know, up and down scenario. And once it got past that high of 620, it just continued on, halts going up. So I figured, hey, let's hop into this. This thing is starting to move and gain momentum. So that's exactly what I did. But I still felt like I got late to the game because my first trade was at what, 1125, did I say? Yeah, 1125. So got a quick trade in on that, and I got up 190 bucks on my first trade. So not a bad first trade. And so basically throughout the rest of the day, I just kept trading this thing. And as you can see, it really had a nice run up. And to be honest, I felt like I didn't trade it that great. I over traded it a ton, and I didn't really hold my winners. A lot of the time I'd get in, get out, and that's part of my strategy. But a lot of times on this one, I just wouldn't hold long enough, and I missed out on a lot of money. So being up $1,700 is great on the day, but I got to a point where I got up to, what was it, 1998. I was like, I'm $2 shy of 2,000. I've got to make another trade, and this is towards the end of the day. And guys, this is where getting greedy will, definitely screw you over. I'll see if I can find the area. Yeah, so I'm setting up like at one point $1,900 and just $2 shy of 2,000. Or sorry guys, I'm sitting up 1998, $2 shy of $2,000. And what happens? I get a little greedy and go, hey, I just need to put on a quick trade, take it over 2,000, I'll be happy. And of course that, bites you right in the butt. So just from that little sense of greed right there, I hopped into it, another trade, and it was on the downfall. I don't know if I can find exactly where it was at, but I was like, screw it, I just need to put on something real quick. And the stock was falling, and I was looking to hop in and just do a quick little curl up trade, and it didn't work. And instead it started going down harder and harder, and eventually just had to cut it for a loss, and which sucked, because that took me down to 1761. And I was like, oh, are you kidding me? Now I got to try to work back to it. And that mentality right there is just no good. So I did make a few more trades, got up to $1,800. Then finally I lost on my last trade. And that's where I'm just deciding to end it. 1788. I can't go chasing to try to make 2K. Like, it's just pointless. I've already well overstayed my welcome. These are all my trades. I had tons of trades today, and I already left a lot of money on the table. Let me show you one spot in particular. So here I am. This area was very important. So we ran all the way up to here. This crazy train all the way up to 11. And we had a resistance at 11. It fell, went to a halt. Then it consolidated sideways, and then I saw it starting to peak up, and I'm like, oh boy, let me hop in for a quick trade before it hits 11, and then I'll sell at 11 to minimize my risk of this testing 11 and just falling again. I just wanted to go in for another trade. So what happened here was actually I got in, and it just ripped right up to the top and went right into a halt. And so I didn't really get any chance to sell and get out of it. I got stuck in the halt. And it was kind of a good thing in the sense, because the halt obviously opened up and went much higher, but it had a lot of momentum. It hit this high and then it did curl. So when it did the run up, this halt I think was a safer area to say nonetheless, because I thought about it and I thought, if this thing opens up down, I just don't, the way it's already moved, it's gone up big, made another curl. I just don't see it going down from this halt. And it could have, truthfully, it could have done that, but I think the odds are, with this type of momentum and this type of curl, that it was going to open up higher. And anyways, to minimize some of my risk, I just thought, you know what, once it opens up, I'll just, I'll sell, get out of it, take the profit on it. And I'm kind of pissed at myself because I sold right here at 11.13. So I got a nice little trade in, but I missed this entire move. But to be honest, when you get in these areas, sometimes they move so quick, they become difficult to trade. But I should have held on for a split second, because I could have rode this thing up all the way up to 1240. That's crazy. That's a huge move. And instead I sold out, 11.13. So that was a perfect example of me not just holding my winners long enough and just selling super early. So I left a lot of money on the table today. I think I would have been up way more than 2,000 today, but I didn't perform that well, to be honest. So anyways, I mean, today sitting up 1,700 bucks is pretty decent in general, even though I did botch a lot of the trades on ACY, but I'm happy with it. So that's where I'm leaving today. And also a reminder, everyone else, tomorrow is a holiday, and yeah, the markets will be closed for Friday, April 2nd here, and it's kind of a good thing I was up a decent amount today, because I felt like I had to, in a sense, if we're not trading tomorrow, I like to think that, you know, if I split my profits for today and tomorrow, you know, that puts me up 500 bucks on each day, more than 500 bucks on each day. So that's good. That's decent. I would have liked for it to be a lot more, of course, but that's where we're sitting. So anyways, that was today's performance. Nice work uphill, but I did leave a lot of money on the table, and that's how it goes sometimes. But and then the day green, and that's how I like to start the month. I'm excited for the rest of this month. I really want to better my performance and make better trades. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video if you want to stay tuned for all my progress coming up for this month. Hopefully I can make it an amazing one, and we'll see what unfolds. You know, March I had some big red nasty days, but I did overall, as far as my green days, I had a lot of green days, which is great, but who's to say what this month will be like? You really don't know. I'm going to try my best, but make sure to stay tuned for the progress. And I hope you guys have a excellent weekend. I hope you were green today. Let me know in the comments how you did today. If you were green, if you were red, let me know by how much. Really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this. It's really become a lot of fun to see you guys chiming in and really kind of hearing from other traders as well. It's a lot of fun stuff. So that's it for now. Take care. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.